Hey LaFonda, so here's the walk around on your bike. Got the key in the ignition. Once you kick that on, it's going to kick your dash up from there. We'll go from right to left on the handlebars. To start your machine, you're going to put your foot on the brake, hand on the throttle. You're going to roll it forward, hit your start button, start it up from there. You'll notice the other switches here. We have a parking brake, we have the hazard lights, we have the cruise control, and then set and resume from there. That works just like your car cruise control system. You go to hit your brake, you throttle up, it's going to adjust itself or turn itself off with the brake. On the dash here, you're going to see that you have the heated seat. Up top, that's your very hot. Down the bottom, that is warm. Same way with your grips. Very hot and warm. This is going to adjust your windshield. So you're going to see it move up and down from there, depending on your preference. On your left-hand side, you're going to have your volume control, your mode select, and station control from there. Your push to talk if you have a Bluetooth headset hooked up. That way you can speak into it and tell it where you want to go. As far as different modes you have your mode button here. When you push that button up on your dash, you're going to see it cycle through the gauges, the media, the radio, or the statistics. The statistics is just going to give you miles per hour, average speed, average fuel consumption, things like that. When you get to the stereo or the gauges, just going to pull your gauges back up for you as well. Going to have your media. That's where you're going to Bluetooth in your cell phone there. And then, of course, the radio is pretty self-explanatory there. Whatever station you like, you can turn it on from there. With these buttons as well, you have a setting button here. When you push that, you're going to have two different settings in there. You have normal and eco mode. You're going to use your joystick to move up and down on that, so you can see where you're at there, and push in. Normal mode is normal driving mode, and of course, eco mode is a mode to put if you want to save for fuel mileage there. Within that, if you push it again, you're going to see your stereo or your headset, depending on where you want to listen to your speakers through, if you have a Bluetooth headset in your helmet. Up top of this, you're going to have a high beam flasher. That's for the European market, just when you're passing from cars. You have your shifter, which is shifting up and then shifting down. You will have to shift up through the gears, but when you start slowing down, the bike will automatically downshift for you, so you do not have to worry about it. In here, you're going to have your little compartment for your phone, so you can hardwire your phone in or Bluetooth it and set it in there as well. Storage compartments. You can see it, you got the luggage on that side, fuel on that side. How you're going to get into the front compartment, you're going to push down and you're going to turn to the left. When you do that, it will open up your storage compartment here. You've also got a toolkit in there, and then some storage for any of your documents for the front of the machine there. Locks it back up, nobody can get back in there. For your saddlebags, you're going to have a lever right here. You're going to pop that lever, it's going to open up your saddlebag there as well. In the back, you have a push button latch. You're going to push your latch, it'll pop open. You have storage for 2 full-faced helmets in there. Your passenger has the ability to have heated handrails, the high or the low, and then heated seat, high or low as well. So they have that option. The floorboards, you can actually move up and down, so that way give a little more comfort to your passenger on the bike itself. To get into the fuel, you can see it on this left side. You're going to push down and to the right. When you do that, sorry, you got to do it at the same time. Put it right back here. Once you pop that open, you're going to have your dipstick there to check your oil. And on the left side of the machine, your fuel there. That's everything there. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to answer them at any time. LaFonda, thank you very much. And if you need anything, just holler. Have a great day.